Automatic carpet washing machine Mass 4200 provides qualified cleaning with 8-disc brushes, 280mm diameter roller, 200mm bottom washing, and scraper brush system that cleans all parts of the carpet equally. The easily accessible control panel on the machine provides ergonomic use and offers a daily capacity of 1,750 square meters with its 18.03 kilowatts powerful engine. Thanks to its hot dip galvanized coating, it operates at long-term uninterrupted performance. Mass 4200 is the choice of those aiming for a profitable future. Euromak, smart choice in the cleaning industry.